In communications, familiarity breeds apathy.
An array of data processing equipment.
Yet, we have found ways to make communication boundless. We have made the speed of information instant. We innovate. We become more efficient. We evolve. The art of making something complex very simple.
My data center's dated, and I'm in a no-win situation.
Everyone has their own idea of how this data center should be built. But I need to maximize the bottom line and justify how we're going to get there.
When there's heat from the executives to do more with less, I have to come up with new ways to improve efficiency and automate. That's not an easy task.
They expect me to manage their data effectively and efficiently, but when I tell them what I need to do it, they look at me like I'm speaking Greek.
I can't afford to roll the dice in something this critical. 5 years ago, maybe, but not now.
The best method we've come up with to create a budget for a state-of-the-art data center is expense projections at plus or minus 200%.
Got to justify that these high-tech gadgets aren't just wants, they're needs. I need to back it up with facts and stats they can understand.
A mistake could cost us millions. And did I mention? We need this thing built yesterday.
I feel like my hands are tied.
One of the biggest challenges is how to get started. What are the true needs and costs? The Data Center Compass gets you through that phase.
My facilities manager told me about the Data Center Compass. These are real industry minds with real industry solutions.
It literally cut my planning time into less than a third of what it used to take.
It's about time an unbiased third party developed an application that gives us all a benchmark that we can work from.
The guys that developed this aren't some new whiz kids with no experience. My team do the research, and they measure up.
I mean, if we can do something better, faster, and cheaper, why wouldn't we give it a shot?
Now I feel like we're all speaking the same language. Finally.
The Data Center Compass is a web application designed to automate the complex first phase of the data center process. You are given design guidelines and parameters based upon industry standards and best practices. Each step allows you to customize your data center in key areas, including power, cooling, room size, redundancy, and server and rack configuration. At the end of the 5-step process, the Data Center Compass provides a detailed cost breakdown. A common platform to discuss across the organization, from C-level executives to facilities and IT experts. Plan, budget, report, collaborate. Data center planning in a fraction of the time and cost. Based on unbiased expertise, trusted by industry leaders. The Data Center Compass, your data center guide.